Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this two-piece bathroom wall decor. This one here has the bathroom rules, a really nice funny display. It looks super nice. Alright, so right here we have our home decor for our bathroom. It is offered in different stains, different colors. So this one here is the multicolor, which it looks super nice. This one is the bathroom rules. What you get in this package is a two-piece of the funny bathroom signs with a swivel loop hangers. Each measures approximately 12 by 6 by 0.2 inches. It's suitable for your decor at your home and your bathroom. It has got a wide spread of applications that are used in a lot of places where you can hang ocean theme for your bathroom. So I'm going to take these ones out so you can see both of them. There is two swivel hook hangers, which is equipped in the package. So this one says, everyone wants to change the world, but nobody wants to change the toilet paper. Be the change. You can see the little hooks on the back, so you don't need to buy any tools. You just go ahead and put this on your wall with any nails or any push pins. It's a really nice thick wood. It looks really nice. You can see that the wood on the back. Then we'll go ahead and go with the next one. So this one here says, if you lift it up, put it down. If it runs out, replace it. If you miss it, clean it up. If you've finished, flush it. If it smells, spray it, which is super funny because the bathroom that I have actually does have some sayings. It does have the live, laugh, love. So this would just go with the motto. It is super nice. So if you want some decorative in your bathroom or wherever, these will make a really nice decorative for your walls. If you're looking for a nice little decorative, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.